Electric Chiropractic Gun Adjustment Cervical Spine Tool 600 and 6 Level Physical Therapy Spinal Correction Massager Activators. Principle of Electric Chiropractic Gun. Imitating human hand massage, chiropractic guns are all based on the force generated by physical impulse. Instead of electronic impulse force, the permeability is very strong. The force generated under the physiotherapy pulse is hundreds of times stronger than manual massage, and it has the advantages of fast transmission speed and strong penetrating power. Strong spine, refreshing and